Buongiorno from our home in Sicily. Boy, it's been quite a week. I had my first outing that didn't involve a doctor or pool therapy or physical therapy since my operation, and I got to go to one of my favorite places, and that is to visit a market. We're going to take a beautiful drive, go to Giardini Naxos, Acitrezza, and a market in Riposto with our new friend Laurie from, of all places, Martha's Vineyard.
Want to know something? The weather this week has been between 61 degrees and 65 degrees, sunny every day. Next week, the weather is going to be between 61 degrees and 65 degrees and sunny every day. Next week will be the week before Christmas Eve, and it's going to be between 61 to 65 degrees and sunny every day, Esther.
So December, bottom line, is a great time to be here, and it was so fun taking Laurie around. Take a look. We're going to do a little bit of driving around and then go to the market. No idea how happy this makes me. Oh, Taormina. This is majestic. Here we go. Here we go. Wait till you see the view of Mount Etna from here.
It's spectacular.
Spectacular indeed.
He ended up with, went right to the liver.
Beautiful this is. That's the church of San Giovanni Battista.
It's beautiful. Look how pretty from to see the other side like this.
Etna looks so beautiful from here. The statue of Nike. Very clear day today. And there's Taormina. This never gets old, but right now, with no beachgoers, it's the best. This is where one of the Godfather scenes was shot, where the car blew up. Here we go in Riposto. The
Pavarotti della Sicilia.
Right here.
Yeah. Number
and
one.
We're doing it. Going in the market. Al, don't be mad at me. I just couldn't keep inside the car. I gotta go in.
Andiamo dentro, dai. Come back. Come back. Come back. Okay.
Bastardone.
Bastardone.
And this is a prickly pear. Taste it.
Okay.
Good?
Sucre.
Zucchero.
Mangia.
Grazie. Oh, I can't wait.
Okay. Perfetto.
Grazie.
Oh.
What a beautiful man. And now let's see what we have in here. Purple cauliflower, my cacciofis. This is the season. This is the period for the zucchini flowers and the mushrooms, and it's always pepper season.
Prezzemolo in italiano, in siciliano puddicino.
Puddicino. Okay, now we're getting a language lesson.
One.
Sì,
Okay.
bellissimo.
Poi, madame.
E poi questa, clementino.
Clementini senza semi, sono speciali. Vieni che bella.
Che bello.
Guardami.
Buono,
No buona, speciale.
molto speciale.
Molto speciale,
Come te.
Come...
This guy's such a character. Look at the prickly pears. My first market outing in 3 months. Etna products everywhere. Look at the tomatoes and pears. Here we are around 11:30, so everything is pretty gone because it opens up pretty early. Locals just hanging out. First market outing. Yay! Thank you, Laurie, for coming with me. It's beautiful. Here we go. This is what you call a local market. And boy, have I missed coming here. So just so you know, I did go out in the market in Riposto, but that was just about it. I didn't go outside in Taormina, even though I really wanted to, but I promised him that I would wait.
She wasn't supposed to walk at all.
I never
to you
said that.
way. Yeah, she wasn't supposed to walk, so she has no pudding for you tonight.
Anyway, let's go to Acireale, Acitrezza, way to see the beautiful, picturesque nativity scenes, and just beautiful. Now we're in Acireale. Here we are in Acitrezza. You couldn't be more picture perfect than having a wedding right here. Medicine for my soul, let me tell you. Someone's swimming. Here we are, December 11th, and this is the situation. Spectacular. Never ever gets old. St. John the Baptist. This is the scene in Acicastello, and yes, I'm standing up. Now we took what we like to call the shore drive from Giardini Naxos to Acireale, which is really great because you go from one little town to the other, and there's so many cute little things to see. So you go from the most touristy town, Taormina, to the lesser touristy towns, let's say like Fiumefreddo. We went to a bunch of towns before getting to Acireale.
I love Acireale. Honestly, they have so many events year-round, but the Duomo this year festooned with the nativity scene. Did you take a close look at that nativity scene that was on the Duomo, Eszter? It was just unbelievable. And also, the churches there. There's 2 or 3 churches on the what's it called? The name of the street?
There's San Sebastiano, there's the Basilica, the Cathedral.
Yep.
It's a
That's
great
the Corso
town.
Umberto. That's what I was trying to think of. The
Great
Corso.
town of churches,
Yeah.
Baroque churches.
Yeah, and also make sure you bring your camera because they have that beautiful villa there with the beautiful vista view of the Ionian Sea. Really, in my view, is an underrated jewel. Acireale is an underrated jewel. It's on our, usually it's on
Our East Coast tours, for
Yeah.
sure.
Hey,
I agree 100%.
speaking of tours,
Well, our 2026 tours are up, and we still have room on our May East Coast, West Coast in June, and then we have our September tour that includes Leap Buddy, which I'm so excited about returning there, and also our October tours. And of course, we also do some private tours, but we are getting pretty busy. So
right now we're about 40 to 45% booked with reservations for next year. So if you're really thinking about coming, you ought to let us know, and we'll save you a position or two, maybe even more, on the trips. You know who I'm excited for to see this year?
Who?
I'm excited to see all our friends that have traveled with us in the past.
our Legends group.
Yeah, we have a Legends group, as you know, and as a matter of fact, she didn't mention it, but we also have a Legends group tour planned as well. So there's a lot
Which
of
I'm
stuff.
working on, but that's for the Legends. That's for
Yeah.
the Legends.
So there's a lot of action,
know who
so
you
to
are.
speak. Yeah.
Listen, you ready for some hot chocolate?
You want? Yes, I do. Give me some hot chocolate right now.
Look at this. How beautiful. Reitana. Christmas has arrived here. First time in Reitana. This is so exciting. Coffee with Laurie and Alfred. This is going to be the best. Awesome. Grazie. Go ahead.
What do you want me to say?
Well, you
Oh,
call.
is this? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time Esther's out. Really. And she promised me she wasn't going to walk any place, but my friend Giuseppe called me up from Riposto, told me she was sprinting up and down the Lungomare over there. So I don't know who to believe, her.
I did. I went to the
okay, so
mercato.
finally she admits it on camera. So I'm so happy that she got out, though. She's a special kid. You know that. We all know that. Basta.
Sicilian hot chocolate. It's like a little puddingy.
It's not
Delicious. It's like a pudding.
but it's hot chocolate.
So good. This is our friend Laurie. First time in Sicily. And she's not Sicilian, but her beautiful daughter got engaged to a Sicilian.
Was Sicilian? Yes, she did.
What do you think of Sicily?
Absolutely beautiful. Very grateful to be here. Beyond anything in the world. I've been a lot over beautiful other parts of Italy, but this is amazing.
We just visited Acitrezza and you said, forget Positano.
Forget Positano, Capri, Sorrento, they're beautiful, but this is even better. The people, the food, the culture. And to meet you guys, this is so special. Our connection started to Boston, and here I am from Martha's Vineyard, a little island off of Boston, and here I am on this beautiful island. So I'm very grateful and thankful to meet you both and share this special time.
Awesome. We hope to see you back here
I will be
really soon. And we're filming this in mid-December. It's perfect. No tourists.
No tourists, and warm, beautiful. People swimming today. Incredible. Yeah, beautiful.
Awesome.
Grazie.
Grazie. The Somerville girl living in Martha's Vineyard is having a cigar with the Alfredo from Lawrence.
2 peas in a pod.
Lawrence and the Ville, right here. Pretty good. No, leave it out. Here we go. Thank you to Laurie for my first outing, and it couldn't have been a more beautiful day. All right, now watch me going up the stairs. Ready? Here we go. Amazing. All right, that's great. Laurie, look at this.
Amazing. Look at
You won't. So after my physical therapy with Sarah over here, he's having a little Dunkin' Donuts. Come Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Good.
huh?
And
Buy it together.
and a little tiramisu. Let me see the tiramisu that our neighbor Cesare made.
Very nice. Good to the last drop.
Our neighbor Francesco just dropped off these mandarinos. Here's an orange, lemon. We're all set with citrus for a while. Sherry, this is Francesco's secretary's dog. Sherry, look how cute this dog is. Oh my God, and the outfit too. Little Sherry. Oh my gosh. Che carino. Questo mandorino è buonissimo, buonissimo. Grazie. Tu portami tutte cose che buone per mia salute. Veramente. What a hoot it was that day with Laurie. It was so nice to meet her, and it felt like we were friends for a long time, but that's what you get for us Bostonian or Massachusettsian people.
She's from Somerville, Massachusetts. Today, it's kind of like a yuppie enclave, right on the Boston border. Okay, in my day, and I'm sure in her day, when we were young kids, way back when, it was kind of like a gritty urban area, and the rebirth of Somerville, Massachusetts, has just been unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
I think Tufts University. There's a university close by that's kind of helped out, but the immigrant mix is something to be, you want to see how people can get along living side by side, go to Somerville.
Yeah.
It's
Hey,
terrific
I
town.
want to say congratulations to you.
Me?
You.
Why?
A big ching-ching to
Ching
this
ching.
guy who has officially written his 6th book, and I am the editor. And I will tell you right now, it's damn good. I enjoyed every single one of the stories. There's 32 stories and a final word, which you always like to have your final word. There's some beautiful pictures, and I just really enjoyed them. Some of them are just observations about life. Some of them are just, talking about the chestnut or the totò, which is something you eat here at All Souls, All Saints there, or some memories growing up in a Sicilian American household in Lawrence, Massachusetts. And, just funny observationals. Even some of you watching may see your name in there. Just a good book, and I'm excited that it's available on Amazon. And of course, I'll leave you a link. Congratulations, Bunstar. Wait, I'm the Bunstar.
I hope she puts the link up. That's number one. And I hope you buy the book. That's number two. Because if you buy the book, then I'll be very happy. Because I spend all my money on Eszter anyways. It doesn't make any difference. But the book is rooted firmly in 2 continents. It's rooted in the Sicilian American experience. Because what I experienced growing up as a Sicilian American in the United States is very similar to virtually any Sicilian American immigrant family. That's number one. And then, of course, number two, I tie it together with our experience here in Sicily. So it's a great book. I really enjoyed writing it. I was doubly happy that she actually liked it.
I really
that's a
did
good
enjoy
thing.
it.
Yeah.
All right, do you have any other final words?
Well, the other thing I wanted to say is...
Oh, by the way, I was forced to finish this book, or else he wouldn't let me go to Catania.
Well, see, the thing is that every day in my inbox, I get emails from people waiting for this book because they want to give it out as presents. Yeah, they want to give it out during the Christmas, New Year's season. It's a great, Amazon prints it, Zump sends it right out.
Or Kindle immediately.
Kindle, you have it, boom, immediately. And don't forget our other book that we have too.
Yeah,
that's
our
already
travel guide to Sicily for first timers. That's a great gift as well.
Yeah. So there's 2 books up right now, and can I ask you one more question before we go? Okay. Can we call this piece how Eszter got her groove back?
I think I like that.
You know why? I'm going to say why, okay? Because it's been a remarkable learning experience for me watching a woman that has a fire inside of her that doesn't have the word quit in it, okay? As an old geezer myself, watching this young kid over here, so to speak, rehab relentlessly, as an athlete does, an athlete should, has compelled me to kind of revisit my lifestyle. And I'm a healthier person because of this woman. Even though it's been emotionally I guess you could say, up and down. The journey's been up and down, but guess what? It's almost over. She promised me one thing, and damn it if she isn't going to do it. She said that by New Year's Eve, when we're at the Excelsior Hotel with our friends celebrating the New Year's Eve, she wants to dance with me. Okay?
Oh, I'll be
So
before then.
So
Before
maybe
then.
she'll dance with somebody else, but at least on New Year's Eve,
It'll be with you.
at least on New Year's Eve, guys, I think I'm going to get a dance or maybe two, and I'm really looking forward to seeing Tom and Karen,
All our buddies.
right, and
All
all
our
our buddies, right?
Yeah,
All our buddies
me
are
too.
coming up. We're going to have a good time, and it'll
Before
be...
that, we have a Christmas. So next week,
Yeah.
we're going to go to Catania, and next week for sure.
Let
we'll
me
have
ask you
video
one
of
last
Catania.
question, right?
Yeah.
What haven't you eaten that you're going to eat? when we-
Bowls and bowls and bowls of mussels. I can't wait a sec. Actually, I did have mussels once when we went to Catania with the October tour 2.5 months ago.
You know, we have two...
Me and mussels.
We have two Joes that are on our legends. One is Joe Polisi, and the other one is Joe Renda. And both these guys watch all our programming. Both are prolific muscle eaters. And for both Joes, right, there's a chapter that I kind of dedicate to you in my book. I'm telling you right now, both you guys are gonna get a chuckle on that chapter.
There's a lot of chuckles in
There's
your
a
book,
lot of.
for
It's a
sure.
very humorous book. It's a good book.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Buona domenica.
Se benediga
Sa benedica.
a tutti. Grazie mille.
Ciao.